You are welcome to today's class. So we are going to look at that will be third lesson on circle geometry. So let's quickly do a review of what we looked at the last class. So so far we have looked at three theorems, but we just want to look at the last one. So we had two theorems in the last class. So we'll quickly review that. That's we dealt with theorems on double angle and that of segment angle. So to quickly remind us, we said some things yesterday, and on double angle, let me quickly remind us of the theorem. We said the angle that an arc of a circle, this is an arc, this is an arc up to this place. The angle is subtend at the center. Is twice that is subtends at any point on the remaining part of the circumference. This is the remaining part of the circumference. So at any point here, whatever is subscribed, so that is what they are trying to tell us. So in this case now, since this is 100, so it's what? It is twice the one is subtended at the circumference. So it is twice of 50. So that was what we looked at yesterday. And also for this one, we said angle in the same segment are equal, because of the fact that we said this one, the one at the center here, must always be twice of the one at the circumference. So I can also as well get another angle here, get an angle here. So it means this will still be 50. I can get an angle here, get another one here. So it means this one too is 50. So at the end of the day, if you remove the center, you realize that all these ones are 50, 50, 50, 50. So because they are coming from the same arc. It's the same arc that formed the segment. So they are coming from that. So that's why we call them angles in the same segment. So if you look at this now, the both 30, 30, they are coming from this place. So this arc. So we can also as well say this chord or segment. So that's what we. So today we want to look at the semicircle theorem. And it is also evident from this part, from the part of double angle. So from that one, the angle is telling us, that one is telling us that once, look at this 100, by the time it continues to increase up to 180 degrees. By the time it increases up to 180, it means this is 180. So it is being produced by this particular arc. And as a result, we say that twice of the one at the circumference. The one at circumference is 90. So 180 divided by 2 will give us 90. So that's why they say angle in a semicircle is a right angle, because of the fact that the angle at the center has been expanded up to getting 180 degrees. So the one at the circumference would be half of the one at the center. And that is why this one is 90 degrees. So that is the statement of that particular one. So we are going to quickly, so this is it, angles in the same, Okay, so this is angles in a semicircle is a right angle. So that's that is simply the theorem we want to look at today. So we are going to go to practice that as well, the same way we did yesterday. And then the app that we are still using is the IXL. Let's quickly look at that here. So our IXL app. Trying to share my screen. Okay, let me go back to. Okay. Um, let me see. Wow. Okay, we may need to quickly practice that of today because I realize there are some. Okay, so for that of today, we will be practicing on the angle in a semicircle. Yeah. So if you go back to your geometry, for those that have the app, geometry, let me share my screen now. Okay. So under circle. Okay, so this is where we were trying to practice yesterday, although there are still some questions that I feel we should still go through in that particular one. But let's quickly go to angle in a semicircle before we go back to that one. There's still some things that we need to practice there. So here now, yeah. So what they want us to find angle E, angle E. So since we have known that angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. So how do we apply that here? Okay, let me quickly annotate. So from what you can see, this is semicircle. If this is 180 degrees, then definitely this is 90. So this is 90 degrees, and we have a right angle triangle. So definitely we can easily get this. How do we get that? That's the 51 plus 90 degrees plus call that angle E equals to 180 degrees. We can even say that E and F are complementary. They add up to give you 90 degrees, still the same thing. So by the time you solve that, angle E will be equals to 39 degrees. So that's it. So we can quickly pick 29. Write 29 in your answer. 39, sorry, 39. So that's correct. The next question, they want us to find angle H. So you see the same manner. So what will you add to 33 to make it become 90? So you can just look at it. Because angle G, you can see the angle G is the one facing that straight line. So that straight line is 180 degrees. So definitely angle G will be equals to 90 degrees. And so it means 33 plus what will also give us 90. The same way we did, let's do it again. The same way we did the first one. I want to believe that you understand that, but let me quickly explain that again. Okay. So in this case now, this is 180 degrees. So definitely since this will be 90. So in that case, we say that what H plus 90 degrees plus 33 degrees equals to 180 degrees. So by the time you add up, it means you realize that your H will be equals to 57 degrees. So that's the answer to that, 57 degrees. Okay, so the next one. The next one is we are looking for angle H. We know that J is what? J from there, you can see that J is facing that straight line. So J is the 90. So meaning that H will be equals to 65. 65. Do you agree? No, that would be 55. 55. For it to become 90 degrees, that's 55. So 55 degrees. The next one, you want us to find angle K. It's still the same manner. Since that one is 90, so it means what will you add to 53? That would be 37. 37. So the same thing here, we are finding angle H. We know that G is already 90. Angle H, that would be 54, 56, 56. So here you can see the same way, the another way they are coming up with it now. So since this is 90, this is already 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees, and everything should give us 180. So see, if that is 90, it means the remaining ones, yes, we add up to give us 90. So 7x plus 11x plus 90 equals to 180 degrees. So 180 minus this will also give us 90. 7x plus 11x, that would be 18x, will be equals to 180 minus 90, that would be 90. So x will be equals to 5. X is equals to 5. X is equals to 5. So okay, this one too, find the value of x. So it's still the same manner. Let's solve it together. So in this case, 52 plus 90 plus 2x equals to 180 degrees. So 2x will be equals, by the time you solve that, 2x will be equals to 38 and x will be equals to 19 degrees. X will be equals to 19 degrees. So the same thing here. What do we do? So we have 58 plus 90 plus 16x equals to 180 degrees. This is 90. So in that case, we realize that 16x, by the time you solve that linear equation, we realize that 16x will be equals to 32 and x will be equals to 2. So x is 2. Okay, so find the value here. They have made us realize that they are equal. They are equal. So this is 180. So this is 180, or this is 180. So definitely this is 90. So, and they have said these are isosceles. It means base angle are equal. This is equals to this. So if this is x minus 22, this one too is what? X minus 22. So we can just add all of them together, or you just say this and this must give us 90 degrees. So x minus 22 plus x minus 22 will give us 90. Still the same thing. So 2x minus 44 equals to 90. So 2x will be equals to what will you add? That will be 46. Yeah. So x will be equals to 23. X will be equals to 23. S is 23. Wow. Okay. I think there's a mistake there. Okay, let's look at it again. Find the value of x. Okay. Wow. I think I made mistake in the calculation. I've seen it now. It should be sorry. Seriously in a haste there. So since this is x minus 22, x minus 22. So when I added, it should be 2x minus 44, which is equals to 90. So I'm not supposed to subtract. Minus 44 will come here to become 2x is equals to 1. When you add 44, minus 44 will come here to become plus 44. So 2x will be equals to 134. And when you divide both sides by 2, that will be 2 in 13. That's 6. Remember 1. 2 here, 7. That's 67. So, but you can see that they have also provided a solution there. So in case you miss any question, so you can just go through this. This is their own solution here. You can see. So that's 67. So, and so on and so forth. So I think we can end this one here. Let's quickly see if we can do more examples on the first part. Well, I've tried to do it up to a level that they should bring us the other theorem, but I realize that it has cancelled out now. Let's see if I can still pick it up. Okay, so for this one, yesterday we said the one at the center is twice the one at the circumference. So HJI is at circumference. So it will be half of the one at center. So the answer will be what? 57. The next one, the answer here will be what? The one at the center is twice the one at the circumference. So circumference will be half of center now, which is 54. Sorry. So by the time you had everything here, QSR, add everything together. We have, let me see. So here now, we need to find this place. So if you add 94 plus this, it will give us 1, that's 230. So it means this is 130. So if this is 130, this one will be half, that's 65. That will be 65. So Here we are looking for IKJ, half of 101. That's 50.5. So here, another thing that you can also observe here is that another way we can do this, if you are actually looking for this, because this is radius, this is radius. So 99, you can say this is x, this is x. So 2x plus 99 equals to 180 degrees. So 2x will be equals to that's 81. So that will be 40.5. X is equals to 40.5. It's still the same thing. Still the same thing as just finding this first. When you find this one, you get 81. Half of 81 is 40.5. So it's still the same manner. You can also do it like that. So that's 40.5 for the answer. 40.5. So I'm trying to see if we can get to a particular, that's a theorem, the third theorem before we. So this is 146. Sorry, it's not 146. Half of 73. That would be what? 36.5. So if you do this together too, let's see. We want to find HGI. HGI. So what do we do? The same way. So you can just first find add this together, or the same way. It depends. Just look, there are so many ways of doing it. When you add this and this together, we have 278. So remove it from 360 degrees. We have 2 here. We have 8 here, 82. So 2 divided 82. So it means this is 82. 2 divided by 2, that's 41. So this will be 41. So here we want to find QRS. So you can use the same manner, the same thing we did. Find the remaining one that will make it to become 180. So in that case, it is what do we do? Find this place. What will it remain? That's 180 minus 63. We give us 117. 117 divided by 2. It will give us 50. That's 58.5. 58.5. So 58.5. So let's see this one too. So here we are still looking for RST. So it's still in the same manner. Find the remaining one. You need to find this. So if you add this and this together, you have 242. So what will you, if you remove it from 360 degree, that will be 8, 1, 1, 118. Divided by 2, you get 59. So this is 118, and the whole of this place will be 59. So 59. So here we want to find QRS. This one is very simple. Half of it, half of the center is the circumference. That's 68. Yeah, 68. So you can see the way they have asked it now. See the way they have asked it. They are trying to at least. So once you know the logic there, center 2x is 2 times circumference, 2 times 61. So the 2 here cancel the divide side by 2. So x is 61. So yeah, so this is where we are going. You can see they have brought angle in the same segment for us. You can see that they are in the same segment because they are coming from the same area. So look at it. So in this case now, you can see this angle is coming from here and here. It's coming from I and J. So the same one here is also coming from I and J. So we say that they are equal. So 2x plus 17 equals 5x minus 55. So when you collect like terms, 5x equals to minus 55 minus 17. So minus 3x here equals to minus 72. Yeah, I hope I'm right. Yeah, minus 72. So minus cancel minus. 3 divide both side by 3. So x will be equals to 3 here to 24. So x is equals to 24. So that's it. So I think we have done enough questions now. Let's see. Okay. So what happened here? Still the same manner. So they are all they are equal, they are from the same segment. So you equate them. X plus 50 equals to 8x plus 43. So you can bring this one here and take 43 to the other side. So 50 minus 43 equals to 8x minus x. So this one will give us 7x. This one will give us 7. Divide both side by 7. X is equals to 1. It's equals to 1. So I think we can call it a day here. One. I wanted to write 1. I didn't know I wrote 51. Okay. The correct answer is 51. Okay. Okay. I must have made some mistake there. Okay, let's see. Let's see where the issue is. They are equal. So when they equated them, yes, s equals to 1. So what did they want us to find? Oh, sorry. They want us to find language. Okay. We will have just gone there to slot in. Just put x plus 51, x plus 50, 1 plus 50. So, okay, I was in a hurry to find. So that's why you have to be very careful. So with that, now will have dropped me to another. So this is where we are going to end the class for today. So for our assignment, let's see. So you can take this as assignment. You can take this as assignment. Assignment 1. I've not seen the last assignment I gave you. Assignment 2. So let me give us based on the second. What you have here is 4x minus 11. What you have here is 5x plus 45. So, sorry. So this one will be 5x minus 25. So this is 5x minus 25. This is 4x minus 11. So find the value of x. Find the value of x. So thank you very much. We'll be ending the class here. So have a wonderful day. I wish you best of luck. Make sure you do the assignment as expected. So if there's any question, you can always